Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, a data factory, and a key vault in the same tenant. First, create secrets in Key Vault for connection strings or keys and record their exact names. Next, assign data factories managed identity, either Key Vault secrets user role or an access policy with get permissions. Once done, open ADF to start wiring secrets into linked services. This ensures you never store plain credentials in pipelines and lets Azure manage rotation and auditing. Now you link Key Vault secrets into Data Factory. In the Link Service pane, choose your connector, for example Azure SQL or Blob Storage, and pick Managed Identity or Service Principal Authentication. Then toggle to use Key Vault, enter the secret identifier or secret name. Make sure to point to the correct Key Vault resource. This tells ADF to resolve the secret at runtime. After that, click Test Connection to validate permissions, then save. This approach decouples credentials from pipelines and supports key rotation. To finish, deploy or trigger your pipelines that use the linked services backed by Key Vault and watch runs in the ADF monitor. If a run fails, first check Key Vault firewall rules and ensure Data Factory's identity appears with get permission. Also confirm the secret name matches exactly and that the Key Vault is in the same tenant. One troubleshooting tip: if access is denied, reassign the managed identity role and retest. Many issues stem from missing RBAC or access policy entries.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.